in the box. In this activity, 3 pictures are given. So, these pictures are related to season. यहाँ पे इस एक्टिविटी में 3 पिक्चर्स दिए गए हैं. ये 3 पिक्चर्स सीजन से रिलेटेड है. So, we have to write the names of seasons under each picture. पिक्चर के नीचे ब्लैंक दी गई है, उसमें हमें सीजन का नेम लिखना है कि ये पिक्चर कौन सी सीजन से रिलेट करता है. Then some boxes are also given with the pictures. You have to write there what do you like to do in the seasons. जो सीजन का नेम हम लिखेंगे उस सीजन में हमें क्या करना पसंद है, ये हमें बाजू में दिए गए बॉक्स में लिखना है. फर्स्ट पिक्चर, what can you see in the first picture? 3 children are there. All 3 have worn caps. They have worn mufflers, gloves, sweaters, etc. And they are looking happily to us. So, what do you think? Which season is this? Yes, this season is winter. So, write winter, W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Write there W-I-N-T-E-R, winter. Then, here, it is written for example. One example is given that what you have to write here and how to write. I enjoy wearing my favorite sweater. So, it is written there that in winter, children like to wear sweaters and that favorite sweater. Okay, in winter, what do you like to do? Generally, what happens in winter? We feel cold. Okay, we feel too much cold. And just because of feeling too much cold, we wear sweaters, mufflers, woolen caps. Okay, then like doing exercise, enjoy cycling, then enjoy playing in the garden, drinking hot milk, drinking hot soups. These are things we like to do in winter seasons. Other things, we can eat fresh fruits and vegetables in winter. Okay, because in winter we get fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. So, you can write it like this. I enjoy doing exercise in the morning. I enjoy playing in the garden. I enjoy drinking hot milk and hot soups. And I enjoy eating hot food. So, write it like this. If you like any other things to do in winter, that also you can write. Now, second one. Here in this picture, what can you see? Here you can see a face, a lot of sweat on the face. Okay, here we can see that a lot of heat is there. बहुत सारी गर्मी हमें दिखाई दे रही है. Sweat means पसीना. बहुत सारा पसीना हुआ है यहाँ पे. ओके, और गर्मी लगने की वजह से इसके मुंह में से टंग भी बाहर आ गई है ना. Yes. So, imagine which picture is this? This is the picture of sun. सन क्या देता है? गर्मी. Okay, we get a lot of heat from the sun. So, in which season do you feel a lot of heat? Yes, in summer season. Right here, summer. SUMMER, summer. Write summer in this given blank. SUMMER, summer. Okay children, what do you like to do in the summer season? Very first I know that everybody likes to eat ice cream. Am I right? Yes. I am damn sure that I am right. Everybody likes to eat ice cream. Then we like to go for a walk in the evening. We like to sit under the fan or in AC. Wherever we feel hot, we like to sit under the fan or in AC. Why? Because it gives us cooling. Then children like to enjoy summer vacation. So in this box you have to like your favorite things to do in summer. So you can write, I enjoy eating ice cream. I enjoy my summer vacation. I enjoy sitting and sleeping in AC. You can write under the fan also. So write, I enjoy sitting under the fan. I enjoy to bath with cold water. Okay, here we finish about summer. Next, which picture is given? What can you see in the picture? Yes, this is the picture of an umbrella. And what is there? It is raining on the umbrella. So, in which season do you take umbrella? Monsoon or rainy season. You can write monsoon or rainy season. People take umbrella to get protected from rain. बारिश से बचने के लिए लोग umbrella का यूज करते हैं. Children like to wear raincoats, enjoy playing in the rain, enjoy sailing paper boats. All things children likes to do in the monsoon. Now write in the given box, I enjoy wearing my raincoat. Then I enjoy playing in the rain. I enjoy sailing paper boats. Okay. Here I complete the writing work in this given table. Children, if you want to write any other thing, you can write about the season. Then downside, which season do you like the most? Why? यहाँ पे दिया गया है कि आपको कौन सी सीजन ज्यादा पसंद है और क्यों पसंद है. That you have to write. If you like winter, write about winter. If you like summer, write about summer. And if you enjoy monsoon, write about the monsoon. Here I am writing about monsoon because this lesson is about monsoon, about rainy season, about paper boat, about gift boat. So I am writing about monsoon or rainy season. So write there, I like the rainy season the most. Because I love to play in the rain. When it rains, write about rainy season, you can write like this. So, complete page number 24 in your textbook. Then, you have to find some stories, any song or any poem about the season. Okay. You find about any season, any song, any poem or any story. Ask your parents. आपके पेरेंट्स को आप पूछिए, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को पूछिए कि सीजन से रिलेटेड कोई स्टोरी हो, पोएम हो, कोई सॉन्ग हो तो आपको सुनाएंगे. यू ऑल्सो हैव टू फाइंड, यू कैन ऑल्सो फाइंड. ओके, सो फाइंड इट एंड लर्न. नाउ see on page number 25, here activity 8, in the story we show that the boat makes a whir sound. Do you know any more words that indicate sound? Write them here. See children, in the story birthday gift boat, we have seen that Jia's boat makes sound whir. Okay, ऐसा साउंड बोट में से आता है और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे साउंड्स है. So, for all the sounds some words are there. साउंड्स को इंडिकेट करने के लिए कुछ वर्ड्स है and those words we have to write in this given box. हमें वो वर्ड्स यहाँ पे बॉक्स में लिखने हैं. Here one example is given. Tick tock. For example, tick tock. Tick tock is a sound of a clock. If you sit silently in a room, आप एक रूम में बैठो, फैन भी ऑफ कर दो. Then listen. ध्यान से सुनो, कुछ आवाज आएगी. वो आवाज किसकी होगी? क्लॉक के हैंड्स की. वो जो आवाज करता है, वो जो साउंड आता है उसको टिक टॉक ऐसा साउंड आएगा. ओके, यू ट्राई टू लिसन इट. देन वी हैव टू राइट सम मोर वर्ड्स विच इंडिकेट साउंड. हियर राइट देयर BELL बेल. बेल की आवाज कैसी आती है? डिंग डोंग. So write there ding dong, bell, ding dong. Then sleepers. आप स्लीपर्स पहन के निकलते हो तो उसकी आवाज आती है? Yes, it makes sound. तो उसका साउंड कैसा होता है? Flip flop. Flip flop. Right there, flip flop. Then rain. Which type of sound rain makes? It is given in the story. Rain makes the sound of Peter Patter. So write there rain, Peter Patter. Then laughter. So laughter का साउंड कैसा होता है? हा 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 हा. ऐसा सभी लाफिंग करते हैं ना? Yes. So write there ha ha in front of laughter. Laughter लिख के उसके सामने लिखो ha ha. Then aeroplane. Aeroplane कैसा साउंड करता है? Zoom. ऐसा zoom करके एरोप्लेन फ्लाई करता है. So write there zoom. Okay children, these many words will write here. If you know any other words, that also you can write in the given box. So write it there. Here we complete our activity 7 and activity 8. your notebook.